Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT X20, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now for this you will need a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box, but you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So get started, we'll need to take off the cover if you have one on. I do, as you can see. And once you take it off, the tray is located on the upper left side of the device, as you can see where the pin is holding right now. And once you push it in, the tray will pop out. So once you take it out, you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. Now if you're planning to use two different SIM cards, you would place the SIM on the tray for the SD card, but sideways, as you can see. But because I'm using one of each, I'm gonna move it over. There we go. And SD card go like so. So once you have both of them on the tray and they're laying flush on it, you can insert it back into the device. And there we go, that's all it takes. So SD card detected, and also SIM card should be working as well. Now there's no pin, so it didn't really pop anything up, but it is working. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.